I find these days interesting. We dealt with some really harrowing subject matter today. We heard from a mother who lost her son, and there's nothing like being in the room to hear the impact of that and to remind ourselves, I suppose, what health and safety management is all about. There's nothing like being here, to be honest, to have those sorts of experiences.
Really good. We've met some existing clients, which really helps. It's really nice to put faces to names.
Health and safety professionals should attend events like this to get to know people in their industry, because I think sharing ideas, diversity of opinion, that's what makes us all better. The other one is seeing case studies, particularly Safety in Action talks about real life case studies. So where health and safety professionals have put something in place, have made a change, have led an initiative, and they've got proof and they've got evidence that it's worked or it hasn't worked, and we can learn things from that.
In Body, what we are is we're a medical device that accurately measures your body composition, and everyone get involved to see if they can get fit and healthy.
Yeah, we've met lots of interesting characters, a lot of interesting people that have dropped by our stand and had long chats with, so it's been great as a networking opportunity to talk to people that we wouldn't have ordinarily met.